Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you top 3 free alternatives to Microsoft Office that you can use completely offline. Whether it's creating Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, or even editing PDFs, these tools will handle it all for free. Let's get started from number 3 and move to the best one at number 1. Coming at number 3 is Free Office. Once you install this software, you will get 3 separate apps: Text Maker for word processing, Plan Maker for Excel style spreadsheets, and Presentations for creating PowerPoint-like slides. You can create, edit, and save all types of documents here, just like in Microsoft Office. To download it, open a browser and search for Free Office. Click on the first link. On the left side below, click on Download for Windows option. The download will begin automatically. Open the downloaded file and follow the simple installation process. At number 2, we have Liy Office, one of the most popular open source office suites out there. It's very easy to use, and after opening the software, you will see all the tools in one place. You can open and edit Microsoft Word, Excel, and even PDF files here, or start a new documents from scratch. To download it, open Chrome and search for Liy Office. Click on the first link. Once site opens, go to the download and select Download Liy Office. Here choose your OS version and click on Download below. Finally, at number 1, we have OnlyOffice, the most popular free alternative to Microsoft Office. If you are working offline, you get full access to all features for free. For personal use, the best Microsoft Office alternative. Interface is modern, clean, and very easy to navigate. On the left side, you will find 4 options: documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs. I personally recommend you to use OnlyOffice if you are looking for the closest feel to Microsoft Office for free. To download it, search for OnlyOffice, click on the first link, go to download section, then choose the third option, desktop and mobile apps. Select your platform and click to download. Install it like any regular software. I have also made a dedicated video on OnlyOffice. You can check it out by clicking the I button above or the link in the description below. If this video helped you, feel free to share it with your friends, like and subscribe if you found value. It really helps the channel grow, and drop a comment below if you want more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.